Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix iPhone won't turn on and how to fix iPhone not turning on after iOS 18 update. Without wasting any time, let's start this video. Solution number 1: change your iPhone. Plug your iPhone into a power source and let it charge for at least 30 minutes and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is force restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds and restarting your iPhone and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is connect to iTunes. Connect your iPhone to a computer and open iTunes. If iTunes recognize your iPhone, try restoring it and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is device firmware restore. Connect your iPhone to a computer, open it iTunes and restore your iPhone with DFU device firmware update and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying the solution number 5. Solution number 5 is ensure your iPhone battery is not completely drained. If your iPhone battery is completely drained, wait for 10-20 seconds and connect your iPhone with original cable and original lightning cable and problem is fixed. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying the solution number 6. Solution number 6 is try using a different charging cable and power resource. If your iPhone still in under warranty, contact Apple for a potential replacement for iPhone and problem is fixed. If solution number 6 is not working, now applying the solution number 7. Solution number 7 is check your hardware issue. If your iPhone has been exposed of water or physical damage, it may be causing this issue. Visit the nearest Apple store or authorized dealer to the iPhone won't turn on after iOS 18 update and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix iPhone won't turn on and how to fix iPhone not turning on after iOS 18 update is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.